Let's work through an example of solving a one-step equation. Solve x subtract -5 equals 17. X subtract -5 equals 17 can be rewritten as x plus 5 equals 17. Subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. 5 is added with the x term. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. 5 subtract 5 equals 0. 17 subtract 5 equals 12. The solution to the equation is x equals 12. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!